Okay, it's now there. Yeah, I'm not recording on my computer because this computer is pretty old. Wait, there it goes. Anyways, yeah, that I'm not recording on a. I'm recording on a different computer because again I'm in Vietnam, so this computer has been here in Vietnam, so yeah, I'm using my own computer that I have to left. So yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm also record. Also, the reason why I also cannot record games is because this computer cannot handle recording and games at the same time. So yeah, and I also forgot the password to my own email account, so I cannot remove this annoying thing. So yeah, that's just the only email account of Microsoft, so nothing else. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish this. Also, the reason is it the reason why it's in a unlisted video. It's because I kind of want to make it kind of like my own ways of showing updates to games. This time I'm gonna later walking it walking it. This one. Oh, okay. Now we're just gonna have to put this here, and we need to find a. No, we need to first of all we need to. Where do I get? Oh yeah, I forget. It's kinda laggy. Wait. Oh, I must have accidentally deleted it. Silly me. Anyways, I just need to. Oh yeah, now I remember what I wanted to do. I'm so forgetful. Anyways, we're just gonna need this one there, and now we're just gonna have to do other stuff. If we do P A and oh yeah, I remembered. In case if somebody's prefer the arrow keys, but yeah, that's I'm gonna have the arrow ways. And now we're just gonna have to do this, that, whoops. Well, not whoops, but and we are up to a 4 minutes. And now it should be. Oh wait, that's not the right way. Also, if you cannot read this, because I more adjust because I learned scratch code in this language, so yeah, you're gonna have to you're gonna have to still question the sorcery that it isn't sorcery of words. I heard that lots of people hate Czech language because how hard it is, and it's some kind of sorcery. But I don't see. I did not have the same effect. Most probably because I was born there. So, yeah. Anyways, I just need to. Oh, I keep forgetting. And now we just gonna do this and in some angles. Yeah, now I just need to. Yeah, I think I should rename this. Or should I? Okay, gonna feel like I don't need to rename this. And I just change some stuff. Yeah, because I already know how it works. It should work, at least. Yeah, I feel like this wouldn't work. I'm just gonna rename this. Walking. There it goes. Now it's now a lot easier. You should not be on. Just copy this, put it here, put this to the more 90 degrees. And I'm just, yeah, but the teaming wouldn't, but teaming in the void wouldn't actually yet do anything, so yeah. So, I can also hear the fan going here, so yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna change this D and change this to the right. And now, if I just turn this on, choice number one, what is the choice number one? Oh, okay, that's not what I want. Anyways, yes, this.
So you decided to stay.
Okay, yeah, I should. I'm an idiot. And now we just. Ah, there it is. Now just need to wait. Now just need to wait if the animation works. If I because this song is in repeat, I like this song. It's no repeated. There it goes. Now we have. Where does animation? Where
So I'm now finished.
okay, I
Just
made it.
need some portal and some stuff that you need to actually use
What
to
I've done.
get something
What I have
like
done.
oh not to get
What I have done. Whoops. You just need to change some stuff there, here and there. It's upside down. Great. It's seriously upset. Okay, now you're just gonna have to try this. Yeah, now it's working. It's not upside down anymore. Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna have to add another one. Walking to walking to. Oh my gosh, my autistic me. I don't think I'm autistic, but if I am, well, but I always hate it when basically when there's no, for some reason, random stuff bother me. Like one small random stuff. Like the first stage would be whatever, and then at the second stage, okay, it started to bother me at the more stages of this bother at the more stages I go, it starts more and more bother me until I forget it entirely and then see it, and then the the cycle repeats itself. Oh my! Now we're just gonna have to add. Uh, Also, I got bored, so I actually had some notes. Yeah, this is you can read it here because I got bored, so I added some notes for fun. Yeah, that's just me, just getting bored. Oh wait, I now remembered one note that I like the most that I put here for myself. Um, mostly. I like the yeah, yeah. For some reason, I'm kind of like that in my head. Don't delete this note. I should want to delete. Anyways, now this is walking, 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 waka, waka, waka. Pac-Man time. You know what? I should add it here. Waka, waka, waka. Waka waka sunny ania sankana. And okay, what? I not. Yeah, I think that it's gonna take more time. Anyways, yeah. So I'm getting distracted. Also, don't mind the blue teamy walking. Okay, no, you're just gonna have to copy this, paste this. Oh my PC. Oh wait, that's not on my PC time moment. Okay, now that's just a stupid moment. Continue walking. There he goes. Useful TV. Well, now we just need to add some stuff, like stuff. Now we just need to add some stuff like stuff that looks like stuff. I'm seriously an idiot. Oh wait, no, I'm not an idiot. They just over at this specific time I was an idiot. It's supposed to be here. These two has to be together. Together, we have the power of friendship. Continue walking. Calendars. Zero point 25. Good. Paste. This. And copy paste. Put it here. There it goes. Now it's supposed to work. I did not meant you. Yes, we got a snail. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I think I should increase speed. And 20 should be good. Something tells me that I did some kind of a problem. And I'm an idiot. Because this supposed to be and I should put it. Right at it. Right? Or not? Yeah, I should have. Also, I have accident. I also did try doing Subnautica, but I went too lazy, so again, so now we just gonna have to think. Think! How do I continue walk? Perfect. That's actually making it stop and going super slow. Okay. I guess I have to go continue walk.
Wait a minute.
Oops. I want to. Oh, my PC is gonna explode. Right? Where's Timmy? Timmy is supposed to be. Where's Timmy? D supposed to make you appear. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Not, and I'm now struggling with animation. And this is like the easiest thing that I did. I did freaking animations. I found a way to make it work. Why I forgot how to make it work? And I've been here, and I'm trying to do something 20 minutes here. Wait, this does not work. I lost the fire spreading around the room. So bright, hard to breathe, but that's so right. Just have to be seen and try to walk. Team, try to walk. Something tells me it's yeah, alright, low. Maybe just idiot, and it's actually a lot simpler than I said than I thought. Yeah, before I listen, it actually got simple. I think because of this, that put some stuff here and this should just yeah, we got T posing. This is scratch equivalent of T posing. Wait, 20.5 might be too long. Now we're just gonna try even smaller. 0.1 speed. Okay, and 0.1. Oh man, how do I make this go the way I want? Without making a mistake. Okay, I'm back from. I went for some bubble tea. Yeah, I think I should do it 0.25. Mm. Hmm. Now, how do I make it work perfectly? Hmm, it's not ready. So 40. Well, something's not flying, but it's the walking animation. Wait, maybe I just put something different, and that's why it's not working. Hmm, we kinda need to make the animation I guess I'm gonna have to make the animation go faster. 0.9, but 2.05, I guess. 0.05. No, that's gonna make it go fast. That's gonna be this sprint, right? Yeah, it's gonna still work something out. The 0.5, it's even. Hmm. I think 0.1 would make it. I would add the sprint function. Of course, I need to. Hmm. That's good enough. Or am I be? Oh, I'm not remember how you do it better. My God, I'm so stupid. You do the same thing, but this just only have to do this. Just make it go up. That's why I'm so stupid. I now remember. I just needed bubble tea to remember. Now that's just nice to know. I just need the 0.25 and yeah, that would actually make it go faster, right? Nah, that's just not gonna work. 0 point. Okay, no, that's okay. So I so I have a memory of a goldfish then, and I don't know how to make it so it would actually all at the same time I could walk. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, now I know. Just okay, maybe this would make it go fast. Guess. Wait, let me just try it out. Let me just first try it out. Then I'm gonna try. And now we just need to make him. It's just too fast. People come too fast. Gone. Oh my gosh. It's getting into my head. How do I stop this? Yes. Bam bam bam. Ba-da da dum da da. Look up that eliminates them. Hmm. Maybe I supposed to use the X thing. Change the X. Now that's just going slow. Not then. Hmm. Uh, I'm running out of sips. Hmm. But there are some jellos there. Oh my gosh, it's hard to sip on that. Hmm. Hmm. Not working. Hmm. Let me just change the speed to 100. Okay, it's more. Not. Okay. Yeah, 50 is the only best thing I can do. I don't know how to make it so it wouldn't. Hmm. Because if I just, remove this one, it's just gonna go silly. We don't want to do this, but so this is kind of slowly. We can just there we goes. That's an improvement. That's a big improvement. Now we just need to try this thing. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So yeah, it's gonna be 1.5. Maybe wait. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Right. I almost choked. Although I wanted balls instead of jello. I got the jello because they forgot, but I didn't complain because I don't hate jello and I still like jello, so it isn't bad. Although I prefer the balls because it's easier to suck them up. But I got the jello. Hmm. Well, that's gonna work. Well, at least it's working, so I'm gonna rather not add a 5 and delete the 5 and should be, it's actually pretty good now. I think I would change it back to this one because it's easier. Put it into a 50. They should work pretty similarly though. Yeah, now the sprint function I would add. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna change it to not speed, but you know, sprint. Yeah, I'm gonna add the sprint function. And it's super easy. sprint 1. Okay, now you just need to add 0.5. 0.5 as the normal sprint of sprint 1. And this will be 0.1. But this is 2. Are you freaking kidding me? Wait, sprint 1. Okay, I guess. Yeah, I think. Two. Huh. Oh, wait. Whoopsies. Okay. I mean, um, so the problem is, how do I how this should be there? Hmm. Okay, we just need to change it, but then. Mm, wait, that's not how I want. The sprint, it's for sprint. You know what? Yeah, I think I would actually make it easier by for myself and order for myself, and that is. Oh, I'm so stupid. I did not see this, man. That I'm mistaken for something else. That's stupid. I know. Two, sprint two. There it goes. Sprint two. Fine. There it goes. Now that's just when you are not sprinting. That's working too. I'm gonna fix it by sprint. There it goes. That should work. Now we just have to. Let me just get more. So good and tasty. Mm. Anyways, now we just need to. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. Sprint, sprint. Now we just need to. Copy paste this. Now that's gonna be sprint 2. Just go down. Sprint 2. Now this is kinda big. There we go, but hey, and this is kinda getting clogged here. Alright, isn't that big of a deal? I'm just gonna have to delete this, and look, more space to work with. Now we have sprint. Hmm. 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 Come on, do this. Ah, finally. Yeah, I know, so that's why. Also, that And also, I'm one of the very lazy developers. That's why I barely develop. And go down. And go down. Okay, that's too much down. Up. And also, I want to be a programmer as a job. It's more realistic, and that would be my dream job to be a programmer. So, yeah, it wouldn't be a problem. Now the sprint function. Oh yeah, we just need to controls. There it goes. And now we just gonna have to add this. And now we just gonna have to. Huh. Something tells me there is no shift. Something tells me there is no shift in these options. So I think it's time to say sprint with so yeah, you're gonna sprint with the DS and yeah, that wouldn't work. No, we kinda need this for the plan that I have for the other stuff. But I will not do that because well I'm kinda overdue. It's actually over and this is gonna be an hour long video. So yeah, I'm gonna end it after I just finish some stuff with the Timmy. With Timmy. So yeah, it's gonna be an hour long video. And yeah, and I'm gonna do the animated Timmy now. And if you're questioning, oh yeah, I already said everything that I went for something. And also, if you question some cuts, it's because my sister said my name, and I don't want to that in the internet, run the internet. Because if I said my name, there would be other people. Well, other people would know definitely that's me. And trying other people would know that if they see me in real life, other people would actually definitely know what it is. But I don't need to be but I don't need to be scared about these stuff that were that I was born somewhere because you don't because it's like saying Italy, you live in Italy but you don't but not your entire address, so it's mostly like where in Italy would you be. And we just yeah, for some reason I just only scroll and scroll, nothing else, just scrolling. And yeah, this would not work too, and because this is gonna have to be like so. I'm gonna use H for no. I wanted to make it. I'm planning to add a gun, as you could see while I'm trying to program. So it's gonna be the gun's gonna be normally E, so you can actually react in time and do that stuff because, or you can, yeah, you kinda need to actually, yeah, okay, yeah. So it's gonna be E. So sprint would be Q. No, not Q. Oh, Alt. If there's Alt, there isn't Alt. Oh my gosh, how do I do this? Because I want it to be close as possible. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do the mouse, the click mouse to sprint. Yeah, that would actually, because you don't use mouse in this game except for just choosing. So I don't know how to do the right click, so that's a problem. Mm, you know what? I'm just gonna do the sprint mechanic with the. I want people to still use, so it's gonna be. What's the second closest? Yeah, C. C to sprint. So to, but it would be more evil if you just do literal C to sprint. Yeah, that would be too evil. And I'm trying to make it as close as possible to the fingers, so it would be easier to sprint. So yeah, it's gonna be the CCTV footage. Where's the CSGO? And I'm trying not to edit it too much, so you would actually know how it feels like to program. Well, basically the actual thing entirely. And I like programming. It's actually fun and calming for me. It's like a game, but you just do make a game out inside a it, it's like playing a game for me basically, but only if I feel for chilling. But I mostly play the Project Rush, which is now my favorite game. So it's actually and so it's actually good. Also, I'm working on one game on Roblox, but it's more like very not creative game. It's like it's named 24 tanks versus infinite zombies, and you just only and you can see how bare bone it is. It's just bone, and it's only full of the stuff that I just only found in props. So yeah, it isn't that creative, I know, but it's something. And yeah, keeps aimlessly scrolling. C2 sprint. I don't see any other games though do that. I don't see any games using C to sprint. Two, and now we just gonna use the sprint one to not two. Let me just try 2 point. Yeah, two. 0.15 is gonna be by 10. So please 0.1. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to the 5 there. Well, no, it's not perfect if I add the 0.5. Oh, 0.115. It's not perfect. Okay, now let's do 0.10. I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna keep. No, I'm just gonna do the 0.2, 0.01, and this is gonna be by 9. I'm still, I'm still recording, you know. No, no, no! What the frick is this? I'm traumatized. You too. What did you actually? Why did you show me? Why? Also, there was my that was my sister here. And now we're just gonna do 69. Yeah, okay. And now we're just gonna have to add some stuff. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna try. Now we have it all working. Now we just need to check if something did not break. Okay, works. It's still snail pace. Yay, it's fast! Ish. Fast-ish. It's fast on DB. Feels super sluggish on EA. Oh wait, I might have forgot to add. Yeah, definitely forgot. 50. There it goes. That's all that I need to change. Now it's just. There it goes. Now it's decently fast. No, this is sprint. Yes, he's sprinting. Cool Timmy sprints. Okay, that just to add this. 0.4. Yeah, I actually don't know. I still don't know what stage it is, but I'm gonna add a title here. Also, the original game actually had a menu screen, but then I scrapped it all. Also, it was more like developer, lazy developer, the original name. Now it's just a developer. And now we just gonna have to add walk. There we go, that's perfect. And now just save it. And goodbye. If I release the video.